like summer when they had it.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hi guys, welcome back. It's a new week. It's Sunday. I just got out of work. Well, about an hour ago I got out of work. I got home and I ate. I guess I could have shown y'all that mommy made curry goat with rice and gungo, some fried chicken with coleslaw. I am now about to unpack some laundry and put that away. I'm off tomorrow, so we have no plans. So we'll see. Tomorrow's Memorial Day, so we'll see what we get up to, if we get up to anything. But outside of that, yeah, I just got home and I'm about to put away this laundry. See, it's all over the bed. So yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you guys. I'm gonna record just a little bit of that, but I'm not gonna record the whole thing. So who wants to watch me put away laundry? It's okay. I'll see you guys. Bye. See? Oh yeah. And then I also looked at chicken with it. This is a cute little 6-year-old washi tape set.
He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. La 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 lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but
Anyway, I'm back. Do you guys see me? I have on a sweater. This is a men's crew neck that I bought on Amazon. Then I cut the neck off and cut a slit to make it more breathable for me. I also cut the edges off. But anyways, I'm always having hot flashes. And the past week or so, well, the past couple of weeks, Jersey's just been giving it to us with the weather. It's been crazy. It's been cold. The other day I had to have, when was it? When I was off Friday, I had to have the heater on all day Friday. And then I also have to sleep with the heating, my heating pad, a blanket, and another throw. That's how cold it's been. I had to pull back out the long sleeve and pants, pajamas, forget the short sleeve and the shorts. I had to get rid of those for now. It's been so cold. See that sun? Don't let that sun fool you. Do not let that sun fool you. It's cold and windy out there right now. This weather has been a mess. Like, you guys saw all that work I did put into cleaning up the pool, trying to get the pool together. I haven't even been able to finish because it's been raining so much. Like, I'm hoping we could actually get to use the pool. It's May 26th. June is next week. June is next week, and this is what we're dealing with. But I just feel like this is going to be the pattern this summer. Rain, cold, windy, maybe 2 or 3 days of sun, extremely hot, maybe. But we'll see. We'll see. I guess we just have to roll with the punches now, don't we? But yeah, all right, guys. Just wanted to come on here, rant a little bit. Sorry, not sorry. All right, peace out, guys. See you in the next one. See you in the next clip, guys. See you in the next clip. Okay, bye. I guess I'm going for a walk with them. So yeah, it's Memorial Day. We're not doing anything. You're not. It's not on you. It's not. She's always running for her lip gloss. It's not even on you. It wasn't even on you. Now it's on you.
Wait. Recording.
You just said it.
Look at that little ugly girl. Why are you not stretching? I was stretching. I'm stretching my fingers.
Oh, so technically this road is part of the park? Oh, okay.
Drive through it to.
Oh.
Are you interested in? I know.
His trash.
Somebody got it then.
Put it with his trash.
He wants to eat it in the corner, in the wood.
Watch out.
Oh, period. As you said. Why you want to follow the road? He'll be very talkative. Oh, he is very good. No, he has nothing in here. Not gonna lie, they're twins and I get them confused. Yeah. I had a twin 3 times. Me too. Mainly for them to do other stuff that I don't do. Yeah. But that looks like me.
Mine died at birth. Or so they said. See, they have fishing spot. It's the truth, I'm not lying.
Oh, you know Mildred too? She said she ate her twin. That's what she looked like. She said her mom told her she was a twin and she ate it at birth.
Mine died at birth. They said it was the 80s. I think the child got stolen at the hospital. It was the 80s in Jamaica. I think it's stolen out there somewhere.
So your twin isn't dead? Possibly not.
We have no proof. There was no proof. It was the 80s in Jamaica. It was actually 80 in Jamaica. And my mom was crippled after, so she was out of it.
Imagine if there's somebody like you just walking around. Bye bye.
Are you going to start your run now?
Huh?
You going to start your run now?
Yep. You guys want to join me?
All right, truck star. We'll see you on the other side.
I'm gonna come back.
Exactly.
Let's do it. We're gonna get bored this weekend. Dog and play.
No, she could run around and meet us again. She needs it. She's trying to build that endurance, right?
Turn back around and come back because it doesn't go all the way around.
She did track. She got it.
Look at how fast she's moving.
What did she drop?
She does the AirPods.
And now down here. Oh, we just had to incline this on the other side. Now we go down it.
No, I'm fine. Trying to scare me a little bit.
Let's press record. Hi guys, I'm out here. I just got off of work, and on my way home, Nyla called 'cause she wanted to go to Aldi. So we're here at Aldi's. You see the sign in the background. She wants to either buy mozzarella sticks or get stuff to make mozzarella sticks. So yeah, come along with me and welcome. Let's go. Hmm. What? You have to fry it. It's a
Put it in the microwave, oven, or air fry.
I forgot we do have the air fryer. I was forgetting that we do have the air fryer. You get to pick up some strawberries. Oh, these look like they've been to war. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to move out the way. I don't want to be standing in the way. Hmm?
The type of pineapples, right?
Do you? Oh, you saw that on TikTok? That's green. No, you got you got the strawberries?
I like the whole wheat bread sandwich, like as a sandwich. That's like
I want to just have this one has a different variety. Okay.
it's good with sandwich.
I know it's good for something. That's why I used to buy it for.
I didn't eat with sandwich before. But that bread goes, that's too bad.
Yeah, and this bread, more people eat this bread. Go ahead. I think when we don't, there's no regular cheeses there. Excuse me, sorry. The bread up there so you don't get mashed up. Hmm? Say what?
That's changed.
Oh, they don't have regular?
No.
Hmm?
Call your mother. She's on the phone.
Your Olipop. This is her grocery cart. Do we have any of those things there? Like the nuggets and stuff? I'm gonna get a pack because it returns for the days he don't want to eat what we make. He can eat this. And some of the fries. We haven't bought those in a long time too. Seasoned fries. Huh? What else? What? Oh, cheese sticks? That's not mozzarella sticks per se. You gonna get that inside?
How much? Yeah, it's mozzarella cheese sticks.
Oh, 1 pack to start with. How much is in it? Oh, should we get pasta sauce to make pasta? One. Do we have? I think we have another pack of this in the freezer, don't we? What? No, what?
We don't have it. I don't know where they went though. One second. I don't know. It says.
We need to go get some pasta sauce. We have noodles, that's for sure. Oh, I didn't look. That's what you gave it to me for? I like this one, the strawberries with the banana. Because I don't have to worry about buying banana for the smoothie.
Where does it say it?
Oh, I don't know, let's see.
It was like summer when they had this.
Oh. I thought you was coming in to get a few things. Look at my cart now. Like, look.
A few things. I only got 2 things in my
It's
cart.
adding up.
I got 3.
Oh, look, they have waffle fries.
You got me something. You don't want like you stick your random things, but you don't want to.
All right, let's go get the pasta sauce and get out of here. Three is good. I think we should have one there. And we have noodle. We have spaghetti noodles.
Noodles.
Oh, but they have a new pasta line. They have a new pasta line.
Organic the name.
I like to try these. I always you like to try the different type of pastas, but not today. Today we came here for all this crap, a whole bunch of crap and still nothing.
I'm getting picked up really fast. Huh?
We'll see.
Good.
I think I might have to anyways because I need to take the car to have Obi check it. Hopefully it doesn't rain on Friday.
Tomorrow I still have steaks.
Hmm? Come on. Alright, now let's go check out. Here, you want to record with me?
Yeah. I have to do so.
Yes, you have to do stuff.
I didn't pick up the snacks.
Me neither. Alright.
Scan thanks for purchase.
No. Oh. Okay, so a quick sorry, thank you. A quick $70 in Aldi. And then these kids, as you can see what we got. I'm not gonna do an actual haul. I'm just gonna, you guys saw what we got. Yeah. So yeah, now it's time to head home. Should we go run?